Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to purchase something on TikTok Shop. So let's start our video. So first open TikTok application, and then I will ask you to go to the TikTok Shop. Now if you see if you want to purchase something, suppose I want to buy this thing and there is the price. So if I can see the video as well, I can tap on here, and then I can just tap on buy now. So once I select that, now if you see I have multiple options here. Suppose I will select which one I want to buy, and once you select that one, just press buy now. Now here the first thing you need to do is to enter your address here. So if you don't, they will ask you to enter the address first. Once you're done with that, you need to scroll a bit where you need to select the payment method. So if you do it on cash on delivery, you can choose this. If you want to do it with QR or prompt pay, you can select this one. There is line pay option here in Thailand as well. So once you select that, just tap on place the order and your order will be placed. So guys, this is it. This is how you can purchase something on TikTok. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.